Teacher. Say
I guess they were too tight, huh? You're still paying for those. We didn't budget for 2 new pairs.
His old church slacks are fine. Yes. I mean, Damon.
I told you to trust me. Anyways, you seem so golly sincere. I thought you even could have said that. You. The trophy travel system can be altered, but only by one lady. But you're not the CEO anymore. Yes, thank you. CEO, baby. Did I set you up?
Are you ready?
That was good. Are you done? That was nice. Was that fun? Yeah, you did some good singing. Are you not done?
Yeah.
You finished?